Chronic pain affects millions of people worldwide, and while medications are often the first line of defense, certain foods can also play a significant role in alleviating discomfort. Nutrition science is advancing, revealing how certain dietary choices can impact inflammation and pain perception. In this article, we will explore the top 5 foods that are scientifically proven to help relieve pain, backed by research and studies. 1. Turmeric overview. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and has been extensively studied for its potential to reduce pain. Scientific evidence. Research published in the journal Studies in Natural Products Chemistry highlights curcumin's ability to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. A meta-analysis in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced pain in patients with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In one study, participants who took curcumin experienced a 58% reduction in pain compared to a placebo group. How to incorporate. Turmeric can be added to curries, smoothies, or teas. Combining it with black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, making it more effective. 2. Ginger overview. Ginger is another potent anti-inflammatory food known for its ability to relieve pain. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its therapeutic properties. Scientific evidence. A study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that ginger supplementation reduced muscle pain following exercise-induced injury. Another research piece in pain medicine indicated that daily ginger consumption could significantly decrease pain associated with osteoarthritis. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogaol, have been shown to block the synthesis of inflammatory compounds, providing pain relief on a molecular level. How to incorporate. Fresh ginger can be grated into teas, smoothies, or stir-fries. Ginger tea is a soothing option, while ginger powder can be added to baked goods or savory dishes. 3. Fatty fish overview. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3s have been linked to reduced pain and improve joint function. Scientific evidence. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduced joint tenderness and stiffness in rheumatoid arthritis patients. Another research project in Pain Journal found that regular consumption of fatty fish led to a decrease in pain intensity among patients with inflammatory conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower the production of inflammatory molecules like prostaglandins and leukotrienes, thus alleviating pain. How to incorporate. Aim to consume fatty fish at least twice a week. Grilling, baking, or poaching fish with herbs and spices can create delicious and healthful meals. 4. Berries overview. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Scientific evidence. Research published in the journal Nutritional Neuroscience indicates that the antioxidants in berries, particularly anthocyanins, may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to chronic pain conditions. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed berries regularly had lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood. Additionally, another study showed that blueberry supplementation improved muscle recovery and reduced muscle soreness after exercise. How to incorporate. Add fresh or frozen berries to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. They can also be enjoyed as a snack or blended into sauces for savory dishes. 5. Leafy greens overview. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals. They are also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that higher consumption of leafy greens was associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Additionally, research in arthritis rheumatology indicated that folate, a B vitamin found in leafy greens, may help reduce the risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis and alleviate symptoms in those already affected. The anti-inflammatory properties of leafy greens can help mitigate pain associated with various conditions. How to incorporate leafy greens into salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. They can also be added to soups or blended into sauces for added nutrition. Conclusion: incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can potentially help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. Turmeric, ginger, fatty fish, berries, and leafy greens are not only delicious but also backed by scientific research demonstrating their effectiveness in pain relief. While they may not replace medical treatments, they can serve as valuable complementary strategies for managing chronic pain. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. By combining a healthy diet with other pain management strategies, you can take an active role in improving your quality of life.